Easy now, stay in your lines. All right, next group, keep moving.
Looks calm. Get ready to secure the inner door.
Ventilation is active. Moving to the control panel.
Keep the line steady, they are coming out now.
Watch the far side, make sure the barrier is secure.
All clear back here.
As we transition to Phase 2, our focus remains on the strictest hygiene controls and secure, documented sourcing of all raw hides.
This one has a tear right here.
Okay, initiate the separation. See the abrasion here on the flank?
Yes, confirmed. Reject that one for rewash.
Hides dip briefly into chemical baths that loosen remaining hair and epidermal residues. Temperature and pH are precisely controlled for optimal softening.
High-resolution cameras inspect hides for visible imperfections. Any holes or thin spots are
Automated rollers and paddles move hides inside the vats. This action ensures Random hides are visually and sensor inspected. Thickness, color consistency, and elasticity are checked.
says. Hides enter stainless steel drying tunnels. High-precision fans circulate hot air evenly across each. Partially dried hides pass under fine humectant spray nozzles. Spray restores elasticity.
Hides exit the drying chamber on smooth conveyors. High-resolution cameras inspect for cracks, flatness, and uniform moisture.
Large baths fill होते हैं with controlled chemical dyes and finishing solutions. Temperature sensors और pH
After 50.
After dyeing, sheets move to coating machines for shine and texture. Surface coatings
Finished leather sheets move under high-precision laser scanners. Scanners detect size, thickness, or any surface imperfection.
Every cut piece pass under optical scanners or human QC. Check for exact dimensions, clean edges, or surface quality.
Shipment confirmed. You are clear for dispatch.
How are we looking on the shipment?
Just finished the last box, updating the system now.